Welcome to Scienceado. Seeing a lot of people don't know what ChatGPT is or what it can do for you. Artificial intelligence making everything in life easier. Here's a sample of what it can do for you. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. It does everything. Here are some of examples. 1. It can help you lose weight and meal plan for you. I asked for a meal plan for 1,300 calories with chicken, salmon, and lamb chops. 2. Need to study and pass a tech exam but need material. Asked ChatGPT for 200 multiple choice questions to help me pass Security Plus. 3. ChatGPT can help you run your businesses. Sometimes I need rental agreements for my real estate business. Four. If you have the right prompts, it'll even go in demon mode. Here I learned how to cook crack LMAO. Five. Create business plans to go to the bank with to start up your company. Here's one if you wanted to get into trucking. Six. Use ChatGPT to help you budget your money better. It could go on and on and on, but it's so many things you can do. Go to http://openai.com and check it out. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and share your ideas in the comment section. And of course, do subscribe.